This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne, London. Located on approximately an acre lot, this sprawling brick ranch has everything you could desire in sought-after Talbot Park. This is a rare find located on an end street, the site affords solitude. Meticulously maintained open floor plan home with loads of sunlight reflecting off inch oak hardwood flooring throughout the main living area and tile in the remodeled and updated kitchen. This is a custom kitchen to enjoy. From the living room, look out over the backyard and the 38,000-gallon concrete swimming pool. French doors lead to the deck with seating for a large group and ramp access to the house. Mature landscaping abounds. This home is designed for entertaining or just relaxing in your own private getaway. The large master bedroom has a great ensuite and an oversized cedar closet. This home is centrally located to I-64 at 264 Norfolk Naval Base, Jeb, the Chrysler Museum, and all the fun that is Ghent and Downtown. For more information, review the details below.